In this short video, I'll show you step by step how to start a gas barbecue grill. Always start with the lid open for safety reasons. Now twist open the valve on the propane tank. Next, turn on the gas to the individual burners. Typically these knobs need to be pressed in before rotating. Now all you have to do is press the igniter button to start the grill. Then close the lid and let it preheat. It's pretty straightforward, and it's definitely okay if you needed a refresher on how to do it. But if the grill won't ignite, I've got some troubleshooting tips that can help. If you don't hear a clicking sound when pressing the igniter button, that means it needs a new battery. To replace it, unscrew the button and put in a fresh AA battery. And make sure you put it in with the correct polarity. Also, take a look at the propane tank to see if it's empty. It might have a fuel gauge on it, but otherwise there's not really a good way to check it. But if it feels really light, chances are it needs a refill. And finally, if you know gas is flowing, but the igniter won't start the grill, you can actually use a lighter underneath to manually start the burners. There's usually a hole in the bottom or on the side where you can stick the flame. If this video is helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.